Okay, so let's begin with the first exercise of this chapter 22.1. So in the very first question we have to calculate the surface area of a geometric box whose length is 18 centimeter, breadth is 8 centimeter and height is 1.8 centimeter. So the formula that we will use is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, so whenever it is given that calculate the surface area, so definitely we have to calculate the total surface area, not lateral surface area. So then we will put the values 18 into 8 plus 8 into 1.8 plus 1.8 into 18. So okay, so total surface area of this geometric box is 380.8 centi. .6 centimeter square. So we simply use the formula and then we put the values, and after the calculation we got the result as 381.6 centimeter square. Then in the question number 3rd, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate total surface area of a cube. So for the first part, edge length is given as 6 centimeter. So what is the formula of total surface area? It is 6a square, that is 6 into 6 square. So when we solve, we will get 216 centimeter square. Okay, simple formula based questions are there. Now in case of question number 4, tin boxes of size 45 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 35 centimeter. Okay, so this is given. .45 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 30 centimeter. Okay, so whenever the dimensions of a box is given like this, in that case this is known as L, this is known as B and this is known as H. Okay, by default we are considering the first value as length, second as breadth and third as height. Now we have to calculate the area of tin sheets required to make 25 such box. So we have to make 25 box and we have to calculate how much area is required to make the 25 box. So first we will calculate area of tin sheet required for one box. Okay, so it is 2 into L into B same formula we will use 2LB plus BH plus LH, 2LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, this formula we are going to use. So 45 into 30 plus 30 into 30 plus 30 into 45. Okay, this will be our formula for calculation. So when we solve it, so what is the area we got? 7200 centimeter square. So this is the area of tin required for one box, and we have to calculate area of tin sheet required for 25 box. So what we are going to do, so area of tin sheet for 25 box, so it will be 25 into 7200. Okay, so it will give centimeter square. Okay, now if you wish to convert it into the meter square, what you can do, we know that 1 meter square is equals to, or 1 centimeter square is equals to 1 upon 10,000 meter square. So we will use this relation and multiply it by 1 upon 10,000. So your answer will be 18 meter square. Okay. So if you wish to convert this into the meter square, you can convert it. Okay. So whenever you have to calculate the size of area of tin sheet required to cover, in that case we will calculate the curved surface area, we will calculate the total surface area of the sheet that is needed. So I have calculated the area of tin sheet for one box, then what I need for 25 box, then I have multiplied this with 25, you got this answer 1,80,000. Then in order to convert it into meter square, you just divide it by 10,000, you will get 18 meter square. Then let's see question number 5. Calculate the cost of paneling the 4 walls of a room. So in that case, dimensions of wall are given. Three into 4.5 meter into 3.5 meter, and cost of 1 meter square is rupees 285. So this is the cost given, and we have to calculate the cost of paneling the 4 walls of the room. So 4 walls of the room, that means we have to calculate the area of 4 walls. So that is 2 into h into L plus B. So as I have already told you, this is L, this is B, and this is H. By default we are taking it like this only. So we will put the value. 2 into H is our 3.5, L is our 3.8 plus 4.5. So when we calculate, we will get okay. 58.1 meter square. So cost of 1 meter square is 285 rupees. So we have to calculate the cost of 58.1 meter square is equals to 285 into 58.1. So cost of 58.1 meter square is 16,558 rupees 50 paise. Okay, so this is the cost of 58.1 meter square. Then in question number 6, it is given that total surface area of cubical block. So total surface area of cubical box is given as 486 centimeter square, and we have to find the edge of the box. So let edge is equals to A. So what we know? We know that total surface area of cube is how much? 6A square. So we will compare 6A square equal to 486. So A square will be 486 upon 6, that is 81. So A is square root of 81, that is 9 centimeter. Okay, so easy problems are there. We have to use the formulas, direct formula problems are there. You just put the formulas and you will get the value. So that's all for today. In the next video onwards, we will discuss from the problem after question number 6. Thank you.